Hi everyone, welcome back. Sorry, just fingers today. Me and technology. I will crack it. I know I will. But today, this is a Christmas journal I've been working on. And what started off as a very simple concept. I knew what I wanted to do for the cover. And I could not get it to look the way I wanted it to. But I think I've got it. I do think I've got it. So first things first, 8 3/4 inch by 6 inch to there and just under a 2-inch spine. So if I zoom out a little bit, bear with me. There we go. And I will spread the cover out carefully because of the pages inside. We have a sort of landscape. Following on from the journal I did for Tina, where I painted the field all the way across, I thought, I really enjoy doing this type of thing. So we have a sort of cityscape on the back. And then I needed to break it up because it was looking very dark, very dismal. So I've been going through all my old stuff. So we have 100 of the best songs with pianoforte accompaniment. It's not just a normal book, of music paper. This is from 1920, this book. And I am trying to use up all my old stuff. So I ripped some up and I thought, yeah, that'll do for the front. And then I thought, ooh, what if? So I've done it all the way across the back. And this texture, well, it is texture paste, but it's a translucent glitter paste, this is supposed to be. So I thought, well, I want snow, and I haven't got any white glitter paste. So, white acrylic paint, just a touch mixed in with it. And if I bring it up, oh, no, that's not... I can't show you the shine. If I move the light a bit, will that? No, not showing you the shine. That's a real shame. There's so much glitter going on in this. But anyway, so that's what that is. Then we've got painted buildings, and I've used Maya Gold to actually just put windows in. And then we've got a stencil in texture paste, under, like a raised embossed Santa and some reindeer, and we've got the moon, and then this is just plain texture paste for the stars. So there's a lot going on the cover, but it's, yeah, I was so impressed. Right, I'm going to zoom back in, so hold on to your stomachs. There we go. Chiffon ribbon, because I didn't want anything. The cover is on the outside is all I wanted people to look at rather than the ribbon. So very plain sort of chiffon. And then inside I've used 3 kits. This one's my own, and then 2 from Nectaria's Creations. I will put a link to the Etsy shop for the other one. So I did print off, if I can get them, pictures to go on the inside. Oh yeah, they're bright. And I thought, well, I wasn't sure. So I went with the old book paper because I thought, oh, I like that. It's something different. I've got a pocket on the front and some little tags. This one's it's actually a Christmas planner kit. And I was like, ooh, wasn't sure how it would work, but I think it's turned out okay. So that's, oops, big tag in there. And Edith Holden, the Robin. And Benningfield, my go-to artist to rip up his books. And this is actually out of like an encyclopedia I've got from the 50s. And I thought Christmas, family affairs at Christmas are always a little strange, or can be a little strange. So we've got problems of modern life. I thought, yep. Oh, there we go. Human relations. I thought that might be appropriate for Christmas. Envelope. I'm loving these. I found some huge paper clips. They are empty. There are 2 envelopes and they're both empty, simply because I run out of weight with these things. This is out of my planner kit, but the travel note size. And this is a Nectaria's Creations. I'm sure, yeah. And so it's a bit of stenciling. That's some more than Nectaria one. And the centre, there's, I think, just under 150 full pages, plus all the other bits. They're in there. A bit more stenciling. We have Santa. Boredom in Modern Life. I think this might have been before the internet. Oh no, mass communications. The new position of women in modern life. Do you know, I love when I find myself, when I'm taking these books apart, I actually start reading them and get waylaid. So, the back of the papers, stenciling. Now, because this was a planner kit, this is why I was unsure whether or not I was working at a big journal. Not just a planner, but... So what I've done is I've got stickles out, and I've gone a little mad with the stickles. Well, you can see it's shimmering, so... and all the red bits up there, I've got stickles on them. That's another big tag. Some more, that's out the planner one there. Now, I've decided I really like doing the sort of mixed media work. So this is one of my bits. So this is actually distress inks, the background was. I've made up loads of them. So I've heard they're called masterboards. I didn't realise that, but I've ended up with so many, I've got to start using them. So this is that same shimmer posters on the front. Oh, you can see the sparkle there. So this one is just plain. I've left it translucent, and then we've got stamped trees, and then I've just shaded them in at the bottom to ground them a bit. So that's a pocket. This is out of a Victorian Christmas book. And some more artwork. Oh, both of these are Benningfields. And the centre. I thought, oh, Mare and Foal for Christmas. And then I thought, well, racehorses are actually born, are registered as are, their birth date is the 1st of January, in whichever year they're born on. So I know a lot of race horse breeders aim for a January birth. So it's like, okay. I think those are supposed to be grouse. Some stamping. Tag in there. Whoa, shimmer. Stenciling with another background in. I think these are oxide inks actually. And we got some stamping on there. A little tag of Santa. And this one, stickles again, and I've made it, I'm thinking, oh, a Christmas card. Is it actually? Oh yeah, you can just about see the shimmer on it. So what are we on? Signature 3. So another big tag. Poem about the holly. That's a proper winter scene. I forget what this book was called. Forcing Gardens in Winter. So another Nectaria's Creations page, but I've got some blue texture paste, like a shimmer paste, I think that one's called. Stamping. And it's plenty of pages. And the centre. Some more texture paste down there. Another tag. I leave them loose so people can just glue them in for pockets or for tuck spots as of where they wish. Some more. Oh, Gardener's Almanac. A hare. There we go. A hare, and it's got to be one of my favourite. I just love the colours as well as the subject in that one. And a poem about Christmas. A bit more stamping. And signature 4. So this is another page from the kit. And I'm like, So I've actually collaged on it. So some more of the music paper. Can you spot a theme in this book? And I put some gauze over the top, just to break the page up a bit. So, tag. Paper bag. I bought myself some air dry clay a few weeks ago, and then figured I wasn't very good at sculpting it. So then when I bought some silicone moulds, and these are some of the things that I've got out of it. So wings. I thought, well, it looks a bit odd, just a pair of wings. So we've got, I fussy cut a picture of a young girl there. There's a bit of gauze. And then this is another one of the prints that I made up. This one's paints, and then it's got some gold, Maya gold over the top of that one. It's got a tag inside. More stamping. Book pages. Tag. Some more book pages. The centre, back of the pages now. It was a bit sort of thinking, that fits a winter scene, that doesn't. So in my brain, that now shows what will come. So we have that first, and then we get that after. In my brain. This is the back of the bag, so that's another half or another third of the page I've made up. A bit more gauze, and this one is a wooden embellishment that I've stamped on and then heat embossed over the top with a tag inside. And signature number 5. So there's some texture paste on the top of that one. There's a tag. I just love these colours. I think blue must be one of my favourite colours. Evergreen trees, a Scots pine. That's it. This one's called the Leafy Woodlands. What's this one? A view of the psychic gardens in the University of Oxford. Ooh, I wonder if that's where they use mind control to make the plants grow. Just a thought. So, some stamping on that one. And the cookery page is out of that little encyclopedia that I bought. Creamed shrimps. Oh, mussels a la marinaire. Love it. Envelope. And the centre. And the back of it. Boiled leg of mutton in caper sauce. There you go. Something to think about. Oh no, I didn't see that one. Boiled ox tongue. Nice. That's a belly band with a tag in. Back of the books. And signature, last one. So there's a bit of texture paste going on down there. Sorry, you can see my tissue in my sleeve. Another tag. Some more texture paste on the corner. The snowflakes. I'm trying to think what they are then. A bit more stamping. And this is another one of the clay decorations, I suppose they're called. This is a little deer that I've painted. This is more of that shimmer paste, so there's some on the bottom. And then we have the star on the top. And this background, this is acrylic paint, and I've actually put some music paper underneath the bottom of that one. Then we have, more book pages. Hey! Oh, more music paper. Old Lang Syne. Old Lang Syne. And the centre paper. Oh, it's even got the original sellotape on it. Love it. And the winter fox. Or a fox in winter. Stamping. That's a flip out. And then that's another part of that masterboard. I feel a bit stupid calling it that, but I think that's what it is. Masterboard, a big A4 sheet of paper. So acrylic paint and then music paper that I I suppose it's like collage on top. And then we have some more. We have a sparkling Santa on that one. Tag. And then we have some texture paste on the bottom of this one. And the back page. Yep, more music paper. Spot a theme. Ooh. Got a bit. There we are. I will be listing this for sale. I'll put a link to the listing underneath. Well, thank you very much for taking the time to watch. And you take care, and I will speak to you all later. Bye now.